Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class student. Today date is 12 June 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 1 and name of the chapter is organ system of our body. Organ system of our body. So let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video student, I explained you the nervous system in human body. What are the parts of the nervous system of human body? That is brain, spinal cord and nerves. So this topic I have already covered in the previous video. After that we discuss the keywords of this chapter, that is organ system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system and nervous system. And after that we discuss the things to remember of this chapter number 1. Now we have started book exercises, that is question number A, tick the correct answer. This is a MCQ question. For the right statement 3 answers are given and we have to choose the right answer. So student, first 2 question, that is an organ system that throw away carbon dioxide from the body, that is respiratory system, or the process of digestion begins in mouth. So these 2 questions we have already completed in the previous video. So let's start with question number 3. How many kidneys do we have? How many kidneys do we have? Option number A 1, option number B 2 and option number C 3. So this is the third question. How many kidneys do we have? So kidney is the part of which system? That is a urinary system you can say, and you can also say excretory system. And this system is responsible for removal of liquid waste from the body, and this liquid waste is known as urine, and this liquid waste is known as urine. And what are the other part of the excretory system? That is kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, in which the urine is collected, and from where the urine goes out from the body, that is urethra. So these are the parts of these excretory system. Now in this question it is asked, how many kidneys do we have? Option are 1, 2 and 3. So we have 1 kidney, so answer is no. This is not a right option. Then C, question number C, we have 3 kidneys in our body. No, this answer is also wrong. So number of kidneys do we have in our body? That is 2. So tick this option number B, 2. 2 is the right answer. How many kidneys do we have? We have 2 kidneys. And what is the function of this kidney? The function of this kidney is to filter the blood and remove wastage, and that waste is collected in the form of a liquid that is known as urine. And that is the reason also, student, we have to drink maximum 6 to 8 glasses of water daily for the good function of our kidney. Then now question number 4. Question number 4. Taste buds are present on dash. Option number A, lips. Option number B, tongue. And option number C, skin. So taste buds are present on. See what is the role of this taste bud. With the help of these taste buds, we are able to find what type of the taste is of the food which we eat. Okay, the food which we eat. So what is the taste of that food? This thing we will know with the help of our taste bud. So first is given lips. No, lips is not a right answer because lips is not a sense organ. Okay, then see option number C, skin. Skin is a sense organ. It is the largest sense organ, but with the help of the skin we can feel whether the object is hot, cold, or it is rough, smooth. So these things we can feel with our sense organ, that is known as skin. Now option number B, tongue. Yes, this is the right answer. See student, we have different taste bud present on our tongue, like sweet. What is the taste of the food? Whether the taste of the food is sweet, sour, salty, or bitter. So these are the taste buds. These are the taste buds, and these are present in our. These are the taste buds present in tongue. Due to these taste bud, when you eat the food, then message is sent to the brain, and then brain tell us what is the taste of the food, whether it is sweet, sour, salty, or bitter. So the question is taste buds are present on. So the right answer is tongue. So tongue is the right answer of this question. Note down. Then question number 5. Question number 5. The teeth that the teeth the teeth that the teeth that help us to tear the teeth that help us to tear are the teeth that help us to tear are dash incisors, number B premolars, and C is the canines. Okay, so student, when I explained you about different types of a teeth, so how many types of teeth are present in our mouth? That is 4 types of a teeth. 4 types of teeth. Okay, 3 names are already mentioned in here in this MCQ question: incisor, premolar, canines, and molars. Okay, these are the 4 set of teeth present in our mouth, and the adult human being has a total how many teeth? 32. Is it clear? So as we know that human beings under which category? Omnivorous. They eat plant product also, and even they eat flesh of the animals. ठीक है, ह्यूमन बींग्स किस कैटेगरी में आते हैं बेटा? ओमनीवोरस में. दे ईट प्लांट प्रोडक्ट आल्सो एंड दे ईट फ्लेश ऑफ द एनिमल्स आल्सो. सो द क्वेश्चन इज द टीथ दैट हेल्प अस टू टीयर आर. ओके, सो there are different sets of teeth, and these teeth have their own functions. Incisors, with the help of this teeth we cut the food. Is it clear? We cut the food with the help of these teeth. And second name is given here, premolars. Okay, premolars, with the help of this teeth we crush and grind the food. ठीक है, फूड के क्रश करना, दबा के उसके छोटे छोटे टुकड़े कर देना और ग्राइंड कर करके और स्मॉल करना. सो दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ योर प्रीमोलर्स. एंड नाउ व्हेन लास्ट वन इज कैनाइन. यस, टू टेयर द फूड वी हैव canines. Canines are also known as the sharpest teeth in the mouth. माउथ में जितने भी टीथ हैं मीन्स 4 सेट्स ऑफ टीथ हैं. इंसिजर, canines, premolars and molar. Out of these, if it asks in the examination which is the sharpest teeth in our mouth, so that is their canines. Canine is the sharpest, sharp teeth of the mouth. Sharp teeth of the mouth, that is their canines. So to tear the food, which type of teeth we use? That is the canines. And how many number of canines are present in our mouth? 2. 2 at the upper jaw and 2 at the lower jaw. ठीक है, 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. So answer is canines. Note down the answer. Now next question is tick the correct statement and cross the incorrect statement. Question number B. Tick the correct statement and cross the incorrect statement. Okay, so question number 2, you can say it is also true and false also you can say, because we have to tick the correct statement and cross the incorrect statement. The first is the water and salt are absorbed in small intestine. First is the water and salt are absorbed in small intestine. So when I explain you the process of digestion, or when I explain you the digestive system, so what happens in the digestive system? So here it is written water and salt are absorbed in small intestine. This is a wrong statement. This is a wrong statement. So what is the reason? Is that in the process of in digestive system there are two glands also which secrete juices. Liver secrete bile juice and pancreas secrete pancreatic juice, and it enters into the small intestine, and the maximum absorption of nutrient take place in small intestine. Small intestine में सबसे ज़्यादा जो फूड के न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो ऑब्जॉर्ब्ड होते हैं वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में होते हैं, एंड इन अ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन द फूड इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एंड देन इट मिक्स इनटू विद द ब्लड वेसल्स, जो क्योंकि स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में विलाई फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन है, वो क्या है, ब्लड वेसल्स हैं, तो यहाँ से एब्जॉर्ब न्यूट्रिएंट किस में चले जाते हैं बेटा, ब्लड में चले जाते हैं, ठीक है। सो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में क्या ऑब्जर्व होता है, न्यूट्रिएंट्स, ठीक है, न्यूट्रिएंट्स ऑफ द फूड, फूड इज एब्जॉर्ब, फूड के जो न्यूट्रिएंट हैं जो एब्जॉर्ब होके ब्लड में चले जाते हैं, दैट इज डन इन ए स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन। और here it is given the water and salt are absorbed. Water and salt are absorbed in large intestine. That is the reason this is a wrong statement. Water and salt, where they are absorbed, water and salt they are absorbed in large intestine. So this is a wrong statement. Next is an adult human being has 28 teeth. Question number 2. An adult human being has 28 teeth. So student, I have already explained you human beings has four types of a teeth. Okay, human beings have four types of a teeth: incisor, canines, premolar and molar. And what is the total number of teeth that are present in our mouth? That is, adult human being has 32 teeth. And here in this question it is given that an adult human being has 28 teeth. That is the reason this is a false statement, because adult human being has a total number of 32 teeth. So this is a wrong statement. Is it clear? Third question is, lungs purify blood. Lungs purify blood. So see students, the third question is lungs purify blood. So this is also a false, or you can say this is also a wrong statement. What is the reason? Because lungs is a part of a respiratory system. Lungs is a part of a respiratory system. And what was the function of this part? This part is responsible for observation of oxygen in the blood and release carbon dioxide from the blood. Is it clear? Lungs, this is the, again I am repeating, please listen it. Lungs क्या है? Lungs is a part of a respiratory system. And what is the function of respiratory system? For what thing this system is responsible? So this system is responsible for absorption of oxygen in the blood and release of carbon dioxide from the blood. And which system purify blood? That is known as urinary system, or you can say excretory system. And which organ is responsible for that? That is kidney. Already I have discussed, we have two pairs of kidney. We have two kidney in our body, that I already explained you, and that kidney is the organ which is responsible for purifying the blood, not lungs. So this is a wrong statement. Next, fourth, veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood from all body parts to heart. So when I explained you about circulatory system of human body, okay, when I explained you circulatory system of human body, at that time I have already explained you there are blood vessels which are attached with the heart, that is artery, vein and capillaries also. So what is the function of artery? Artery carry oxygen rich blood from heart to whole part of the body, and when carry blood from all part of the body, ठीक है, वो क्या करती, इट टेक ब्लड बैक फ्रॉम ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी बिकॉज दैट ब्लड कंटेन्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड and bring back to the heart. That is the reason this is a right statement. When carry carbon dioxide rich blood from all body parts to heart, this is a right statement, because when artery oxygen rich blood carry to a whole part of the body, and from all part of the body whence carry कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिच ब्लड बैक टू द हार्ट, और हार्ट से कहाँ जाएगा, लंग्स में, एंड थ्रू द लंग्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज आउट, एंड व्हेन वी ब्रीथ इन देन वी अगेन टेक ऑक्सीजन. सो दिस इज अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. नेक्स्ट है, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड कंट्रोल्स ऑल एक्टिविटीज ऑफ आवर बॉडी. Spinal cord control all activities of our body. See student, spinal cord is a part of a nervous system, and what are the other part? That is brain, spinal cord and nerves. So what is known as the controlling organ of our body? That is the brain. Okay, so all the sense organs are connected to the brain, but there are some other parts of the body also. So that is the reason from the skull, I have already tell you, spinal cord is also part of a brain. It extends down, ठीक है, वो नेक से होते हुए स्कल से नीचे आया है. रीजन क्या है कि और बॉडी पार्ट्स भी हैं, जैसे आपके सेंस ऑर्गन, आईज है, ईयर है, नोज है, टंग है, स्किन है, ये सब तो यहाँ पे आपके स्कल में ब्रेन है. तो थ्रू नर्व्स दे आर कनेक्टेड, बट देयर आर अदर बॉडी पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी, जैसे हैंड्स हैं, लेग्स है, और भी बहुत बॉडी पार्ट्स हैं. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द रीजन. एक्सटेंड करके, ब्रेन से एक्सटेंड करके जो नीचे पार्ट आया उसे हमने क्या बोला, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड बोला. और ये स्पाइनल कॉर्ड किसके अंदर प्रोटेक्टेड है, बैकबोन के अंदर प्रोटेक्टेड है. तो ये उन ऑर्गन से और नर्व्स के थ्रू ये अदर ऑर्गन से बॉडी के कनेक्टेड है. सो इट टेक मैसेजेस फ्रॉम दैट ऑर्गन, से मैसेजेस जाते हैं कहाँ, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में, एंड देन स्पाइनल कॉर्ड सेंड मैसेजेस टू द ब्रेन, and then spinal cord send messages to the brain. So it is given spinal cord control all activities of body. That is wrong. That is wrong. The controlling organ of the body, the organ which is responsible for that, the controlling organ of our body, that is our brain. Even all the information are kept in the brain in the form of a memory. All the information are in the brain in the form of a memory, and brain is the controlling organ of our body. Okay, thank you.